In our previous videos, we discussed about some ICOs and pre-sales of BSC scan tokens. And surely those altcoins gave you good profit. And in this video, I will share a BSC scan altcoin which is in pre-sale mode right now. And one more important thing, for the freebies, they also range one big airdrop. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us. We all knew one thing, that BSC will be bigger as number of new altcoins are choosing the BSC scan instead of ERC20 or any other mainnet. So be ready guys for a big pump.
Feel uninvited.
NDO is a decentralized community launching on Binance Smart Chain BSC with purpose of creating the best anime NFT collection ecosystem and integrated anime DEX. It supports more than DEX, Oracle machines, NFTs, liquidity proof of work. But as the team is the union that held by the fans of manga and anime to increase the influence of anime in the blockchain world. In this video, I will also share with you that how you can join the pre-sale. It is basically the form of the pre-sale. I will share the link of the form in the description of this video, so easily you can join it. First of all, you have to enter your BSC wallet address to receive the NDO tokens. Secondly, you also have to enter the transaction ID. Now where you have to send the BNB, that is a big question. Simply you have to send the BNB on this address to get some free NDO tokens. It is one of the best time for you because as per my own idea, after the pre-sale, this token will give you up to 150x. Now we are going towards the main website of the Naruto. Basically, the Naruto is an open network that will support the creation and distribution of customized NFTs based on traditional and innovative DeFi contents in finance, gaming, film and television, music, esport and streaming media. This shall be the perfect presentation of NFTs application in the blockchain. Now some main mechanics and also you can say the tokenomics. The static rewards, also known as reflection. NDO holders are rewarded simply by holding the Naruto token, NDO token. 4% fee is redistributed to all the existing holders. Now one thing here, the big question. For example, if you are going to hold any type of cryptocurrency, that cryptocurrency is not going to pay you even a single penny. You just have to hold it. But NDO token will give you more tokens on every transaction. For example, anyone want to buy or sell NDO tokens, you will get some more NDO tokens if you are the existing holder of the NDO. 6% fee will be split to half BNB and half NDO to create BNB NDO LP pair and provide the liquidity on PancakeSwap permanently. And as we all know one thing, that if the pool will increase, definitely the price of the token NDO will increase very soon. Liquidity BNB NDO LP will be burnt time by time. Here you can see the entire supply of this token. Black hole 60%, community supply 15%, community rewards 2%, team tokens 4%, half year lock and release in a year. It means that not any type of whale is here. Liquidity provide 19%. Here you can also check out the Twitter page. On Twitter page every day they mention number of things, so you must have to follow them. Now for the freebies, a huge airdrop which basically announced by the team of NDO. If you want to join it, I will also share the link of the form of Naruto airdrop. Simply you have to enter your Twitter username, then your Telegram. You must have to follow them on the Telegram and Twitter, and then you have to enter your email address, then retweet this and also tag your 3 friends in that retweet. Then simply you have to enter your BSC wallet address, and here you have to enter the retweet link. Then definitely you will get the airdrop of NDO. Overall, as per my own idea, this coin will easily give us up to 150x. What you think? Do let me know in the comment section. And already an audit is ongoing on the Has crypto of the Naruto NDO. So this coin will be huge. What do you think? Do let me know. Thanks a lot.